Hello everyone, this is my first video. My name is Kayla. I'm here to just show you how to plant tomato cuttings into Jiffy pots. See things here. They're, I guess, biodegradable kind of pots. Yeah, all you have to do is get cuttings off your tomato plants. After that, just get some dirt or just nice light soil. Just put it in there. After that, what you do is you get your, this is just a breeding hormone stuff. You just get it from Big W or those kind of places anywhere really. Big W, $3.60, I think it was. I've used this on other cuttings such as roses. It works very good. If you don't have that, you can also use honey. That's very good as well. Yeah, here we go. To make a hole in the dirt, either with a finger or I just used like a stick and made up. After that, just put your tomato cutting into this hormone. Keep it open. What you do is just slip it in, bang on the side to get all the rest of the stuff off. After that, what you're going to do is put it in your dirt, press it down, that's about it. Sorry, I'm just coming back. Yeah. And pick off the rest of the leaves, as you need all the nutrients and stuff to go to up to the top leaves. Yeah, after that, you're fine, just keep watering it. After that, just water it, and I will report back to this and show how they go. Probably about, I'll just say 1 week. So there we go. And I'll be making other videos as well, so please join me. Thank you.